I picked up this square shank wood-handled screwdriver at a secondhand store for $2. Looks like it had been used for a pry bar or something. It was pretty crusty and rusty with a cracked handle, but I thought I'd see if I could resurrect it. I used a scraper and a wire wheel to get off the worst of the crud. I carefully removed the ferrule, doing my best not to scratch it. Removing the shank was difficult because it was rusted to the handle. The shank was slightly bent, so I straightened it out the best that I could. I'm removing pits and dings from the shank using a 1-inch belt sander and the Scout Crafter method with a backing board. This is the first time I've tried the Scout Crafter method of shaping screwdriver blades. It seems to really work well. I'm starting to work on the handle here with some coarse sandpaper. Here the ferrule and shank are being test fitted to the handle. Now the polishing process begins. I use progressively finer grits, starting with 150 and ending with 800. The buffing and polishing compounds were Eastwood Tripoli and Eastwood White Rouge. I made a dowel jig to hold the ferrule in the lathe for sanding and polishing. Here's the final smoothing of the handle. I tried to close and glue the crack in the handle, but it just wouldn't work, so I had to use some wood filler. The shank and ferrule were attached to the handle with epoxy.